What's going on, everyone? It's Justin here, and welcome to a tour of my ultimate terrace. So I'm really excited to finally show you guys all of the detail of my terrace. And this right here is Cashew. He loves spending time out here. This is also where he goes to the bathroom. But honestly, it has worked out really nicely. And in the past year that I've lived here, I've tried to optimize it, add a few different things. And here are some of the activities that I've set up on my terrace. First off is the putting green. This right here is a really important part of the terrace because it's something that I've always wanted. Being able to come out here, chill, hear the sound of the fountain in the morning and hang out is a lot of fun. Trying to make the morning putts, but at the same time, sitting back and relaxing at the fire table, enjoying a meal, while also cooking a meal at the outdoor kitchen has also been really nice. We've also filmed videos of a wood-fired pizza oven and even set up an outdoor projector for a video a couple months ago. This terrace is honestly one of the biggest reasons why I bought this place. It is just so unique. And although you can find amazing condos with great layouts, having an outdoor space in this day and age in an urban city is really hard. And so I wanted to make the most of it and actually spend time using it, because I found in my previous condo, I just didn't really use the balcony at all because it didn't have a main function. So before we get started, let's talk about the layout. So over on one side right here, this is actually facing my home office. It's where I can look out and really enjoy an element of the outdoors while being able to work throughout the day. And whenever I want to, I just step out here, and the putting green itself is about 15 feet. It has a nice shape to it with a few slopes and some tricks that have been added. And in addition to that, it also has a fringe that goes around. My friends at Turf Team did an amazing job with that. And this artificial turf is really high quality. And in the past year, it honestly still looks brand new. Even with the elements being next to the water, the weather, and minimal maintenance, it has honestly been a dream. Over on the corner of the terrace, there's also a small opening. And so I figured, what should I add there? And the idea of a wood sauna is something that I've always had in mind. On top of that, I've also had hedges added all the way around the terrace, about 80 feet in covering, right up to the height of the railings, along with some LED lights from Costco. It was a really affordable way to be able to just add a nice nighttime vibe to it, and I have them running all the way around and extended, and so it just gives an extra sense of privacy and more of an enclosed terrace because it is one that is kind of right in the middle of the building. Some people prefer a real garden, trees, but I'm someone who just travels a lot, doesn't really have time for maintenance, and so this was like the perfect happy medium when it came to the ultimate terrace. So this right here is the sitting area. It is right next to the waterfall, and I was trying to think of what type of furniture I was looking for outdoors. And just due to the shape, I feel like it would make a lot of sense to have a nice gathering area in front of the fire pit. And this right here is a fire pit from Deco. They make a lot of different options in circle, in squares, and I was trying to decide if I wanted a circle, but I just feel like because this terrace is so boxy, it made a lot of sense to go with a circular fire table. It is hooked up by gas, it works really well, and honestly, whenever it's just getting a little bit darker out, it's just nice to turn on this fire table and sit here and enjoy it. Put your feet on the table, and I went with a two-seater sofa here, and on each side, an individual chair. Being able to just enjoy a meal out here and hear the peaceful water next to me is really nice. And whenever it's time to set up that outdoor movie, I just plug in a 16-foot projector that I picked off Amazon for like $100, inflates in a few minutes, and just rotate the couch, and I have a stunning outdoor movie on a 10-foot projection screen on my own terrace. So tucked into the corner right here is a little sauna, and it is the finishing touch in this terrace project because it is something that I actually just added. I mean, imagine being on a terrace, having a view of the city and the water, and just in your own private sanctuary, having access to a dry sauna. It's an idea that I didn't really think was possible, but after looking into a bit more, I actually found the perfect model from Backcountry Recreation, and this one in particular is the Juga. With saunas, they come in all different shapes, sizes, and this one right here is one that just perfectly fit the corner of my terrace. It fits 2 people comfortably, and inside I have a Harvia 6 kilowatt Kip heater, and it is a dry sauna that not only has an amazing smell to it, but it's also very well built thanks to the ThermaWood treated wood material that is resistant to weather. You take a look at the way that it is designed, from the glass door to the benches on the inside, as well as all of the accessories. I'm able to just use this terrace for workouts and just hop into my sauna. And I know a lot of people have suggested a cold tub as well, but that might just be the next step. This sauna is able to heat up to 195 Fahrenheit in less than an hour. And as someone who has used saunas more often in the past years on vacations to places like the NAMI project, having all of these luxuries at home and not having to go anywhere or go to like a public place, I mean, it's something that I think is really underrated. So let's go ahead and hop inside the sauna and tell you more about what the experience is like in the Backcountry Recreation Juga. So now I'm sitting inside my Backcountry Recreation Juga dry sauna in the comfort of my own home terrace. I absolutely love the experience here. From the wood smell to the authentic heater, fast heating, and the fact that I have all the different pieces of information from the thermometer, hydrometer, and a little timer right here. It really does bring the spa experience at home for me to use at any time. Whether I return back from a work trip or in the winter time, just want to come out here, sit in the sauna, and then hop back in for a cold shower. I mean, I've got to say, if you're looking for a sauna that you can fit on your terrace, backyard, or your home, definitely look at Backcountry Recreation because they have many different models that could suit your space. So before I show you the next part of the terrace, I want to give a huge thanks to the sponsor of this video, Soundcore, and their new AeroFit 2 earbuds. This right here is an open ear design and allows you to stay connected to the world while also enjoying your music in a very immersive way, while also remaining breathable and comfortable, and it's a very popular style of earbuds at the moment. It comes in at a price point of under $100 and it's available in 4 different colors, but taking a look at the design right here, there's a lot of nice improvements from the previous generation when it comes to sound quality, comfort, fit, and more. First off is the way that they fit. You go ahead and wrap them around your ear and position it in a way where it actually directs the sound straight into the ear canal while also leaving it nice and breathable. The fit is really able to be customized with the 4-level rotatable ear hooks for the tailored comfort, and it also features a double curved surface to distribute the pressure equally, and thanks to the soft liquid silicone, it adds to the soft touch feel. When it comes to the sound quality, it features 20 by 11.5 millimeter racetrack drivers that also has a new bass turbo acoustic technology. It also has high-res wireless audio and LDAC, as well as directional acoustic technology that directs the sound right where your ear canal is to be able to improve the sound quality but also minimize the amount of leakage. As always, you can use the Soundcore app to adjust the EQ the way that you would like, or select from one of their presets such as bass booster, volume booster, acoustic, and more. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out the Soundcore AeroFit 2 for yourself, I'm going to drop a link down below, and a huge thanks to them for sponsoring this video. So over by the entrance of the terrace, you walk out into the outdoor kitchen. You've got the lounge area and the putting green on the left side, and over on the right side, there's another small area to sit and enjoy the fireplace in the evening. And I think one of the best decisions that I made on this terrace was to install an outdoor kitchen. Previously, it was just a barbecue, and with the gas line and hose line already here, ready to go, I felt like it was a great opportunity to extend the kitchen to the outdoor space. A lot of times, it's just nice to be able to throw something on the grill and make an amazing meal without having to make any mess in your kitchen, but also for hosting, having the charcuterie boards, the drinks laid out. And so I worked with Urban Bonfire, and together we came up with an idea and a layout that worked with the space, took advantage of it, but was also very visually, aesthetically pleasing from the inside. This Urban Bonfire kitchen is made for the outdoors, a Montreal-based company in a region that has very extreme weather, far more extreme than where I live. It's really made to withstand the craziest conditions. And so through an entire winter season so far, it obviously looks flawless. And I went with an anthracite gray that was just neutral and allowed the stone from Infinity Stone to just take all of the attention and blend in with the interior being the same stone that is found in my kitchen. having this broad and open space is just great for storage. You have a whole bunch of snacks and stuff. And over here, I also have a retractable hose, and that is one that I picked up on Amazon. And it's really good in terms of being able to pull the hose anywhere, easily automatically retract. And that is what I use to keep my terrace clean, because I often do have to hose it down. On top of that, these drawers have all been individually optimized. And so I have my dog stuff there. I also have some other storage and the garbage and recycling over on this side. And you even have options to add things such as a refrigerator. And from there, you can also bring stuff out such as an outdoor wood-fired pizza maker. And that is something that we've done before. I've also brought my little LG monitor for watching TV outdoors. But yeah, doing a pizza night out here was a lot of fun, and the barbecue definitely got a lot of use. Over on the end of the outdoor kitchen is a drink fridge. And so that allows you to just store some drinks and some additional stuff outside, maybe even some stuff to throw on the barbecue so it doesn't take up space from your main fridge. And so even though I'm someone who traditionally did not cook a lot, this outdoor kitchen has come in really handy, especially if you just wanted to make a quick meal and start it up on the grill. So this right here is the front terrace, and it is the perfect spot to see the sunset. It sets just right there each day. You've got a view of the harbor, and some of the sunsets this summer have been stunning, and that is also where the fireworks take place during Canada Day. And so I like to just sit back here, eat, relax. You can also turn on the fireplace, and it's just like a cool little evening hangout spot. Besides the space, what I love so much about this terrace is that it faces almost every dimension. The sun rises from the other side. It spends its time making its way over this way before it sets right in front of us. And so there's different spots that you can spend at different times of day on like a leisurely weekend. When I first bought the place, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do with this area in particular. It could have been the spot for the sauna, but at the same time, I also thought about building an outdoor TV setup right here. But considering this looks right into the living room and you've got an 85-inch TV, about 15 feet away, and the ability to open up the door, I figured let's keep the outdoor space one that allows me to disconnect from all the technology. With that being said, I do have a portable TV from LG, and so I've occasionally brought it out here, turn it on, and you can enjoy a movie while you sit outside. So yeah, nothing really much to say here. This is a look at the mini patio. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching this video of my ultimate terrace tour. It has definitely been years in the making, and I've given you hints of it on the channel. But as always, if you enjoyed it, make sure to go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if there's any other ideas or what your favorite part of this terrace is, and I'll see you all in the next one.